Leaving the leading XRP coin behind, Solana has become one of the top 5 cryptocurrencies with a market capitalization of $40 billion. Its next target is Ethereum. How did Solana manage to grow so fast? It experienced 6 network outages in 2022 alone. In addition, the FTX crisis and a wave of FUD caused Solana to drop as low as $20, far from its previous triple-digit days. With the FUD wave and FTX crisis in mind, let's examine the potential and future of Solana and its native coin. Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Solana is a cryptocurrency platform designed for decentralized applications, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and other blockchain-based projects. At its core, Solana provides an open infrastructure for building scalable crypto applications. Officially launched by the Solana Foundation in Geneva, Switzerland in March 2020, initial work on the project began in 2017. The network architecture is designed to facilitate fast, reliable, and global adoption. Solana leverages an innovative process called Proof of History, POH, to timestamp transactions and document the history of blocks, increasing the network speed to a maximum of 50,000 transactions per second. Solana's current circulating supply is 430 million SOLs and its current price is $94. The project also launched the Solana Sage mobile phone in 2023. The Solana phone, which once took great efforts to sell, is now selling like hotcakes. The reason is the Bonk memecoin. Arbitrage traders have peaked phone sales with the announcement of a 30 million Bonk token airdrop offered to Saga phone owners. The Bonk meme coin had a positive impact on Solana's price. I will make a video soon about Bonk, which has increased by over 10,000% in the last year. Solana's native cryptocurrency SOL is used to process and secure transactions on the network. Solana was developed in 2017 in San Francisco by Solana Labs, a team of software engineers led by Anatoly Yakovenko. Yakovenko and several other members of the Solana team worked for many years at Qualcomm, a Fortune 500 company. Qualcomm is located in San Diego, just south of Solana Beach in California, which inspired the crypto project's name. Solana introduced a groundbreaking concept developed by Yakovenko called Proof of History. This concept increases the scalability of the protocol, contributing to its reputation for incredibly short processing times. With the new updates, they seem to have solved the network outage. But there are still some drawbacks. Some rules among Solana developers require costly hardware, potentially reducing decentralization and creating security risks. Solana currently operates as a single-tier structure, which may not be suitable for future growth. However, the speed and scalability benefits make Solana attractive to many enterprises. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.